Hi guys, today we're going to be putting cage half doors on a Jeep Cherokee XJ. We had them on last season and then we took them off, so there's no unboxing video, but we'll help have you tag along and watch, and maybe you'll learn something or decide whether or not you like cage half doors on your XJ. Thanks. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is undo the latch so the door will open just a little bit more. And then I'm go ahead and take a ratchet, and it's a T30 Torx, and I'm gonna start taking these hinges off. So when these things are first time you take the doors off, it could be a nightmare, but luckily when I got this vehicle, someone had already done the work and took the doors off. Worst case, you'd have to use like pliers and grab the outside if this T30 Torx had stripped out. So we got one bolt off, one out 3 on the top hinge, and then there's 3 more on the bottom hinge. So I'm gonna take the 2 off the top, and then I'm gonna leave one, and then once I get to the very last one, I'll have my assistant Colby help me hold this door up while I take the last bolt off, and then we'll both take the door off together. Okay, so this is the last bolt off the bottom, and the door's kind of flopping down. Hey Colby, can you come over and help? So I'm taking the last bolt off the bottom. I just need you to come here and just kind of push it up like this, okay?
Like this?
You don't have to do it hard, just keep it from falling off. Okay, relax, let it fall down just a little bit. Keep going down. Down, down, down now. Let go. Okay, now just take a little bit of weight off, just like this much.
So I do this?
Okay, yeah, and you gotta open it so we can get in there. Good, good. We'll go in more. Okay. That's better. So on these hinges, you're gonna have some shims. Lift up. And on this bottom door, this is the shim right here. Okay. And now this door doesn't have any speakers, any power, anything. So we don't have to, or power lock, so we don't have to worry about wiring harness. So all we have to do is take the last bolt off, keep track of the shims. Okay, and you got that side?
Yeah.
And then we're just going to take this door and set right here on the ground. And then pull the mirror in. Okay, so lay down. Alright. Can you run this camera so it's pointing towards that, Colby?
Yeah.
Alright, lower had this, upper had that. Okay, and then, is that one still rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, and here's the half doors. They're gonna go on. Last season when I took them off, I left the screws intact. Okay, I need you over here.
Okay.
Okay, so the heads go towards the hinge. because they've got to get pinched. You're doing good, buddy.
Okay, sorry.
Not too much longer. One more. And then lock washer in the back, and regular washer in the front on the us side. Okay, then relax.
Okay.
Yeah, looks like that, buddy.
It's that simple?
That's simple.
After you put on those 3 or 2?
You have 2 more, and this one's on.
Dang.
Okay, let me grab a tool to tighten that real quick.
Okay.
Can you make sure this opens and closes?
Yes.
Okay, bye. Does it work pretty good, bud?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna grab my water bottle real quick.
Okay. So the trick is if you have a hex, sometimes you can get away with, or Allen style, you can get away with using a Torx to tighten. So you're gonna snug up the top and bottom. And we're just gonna make sure it shuts. Take this one off. And then this is the half door for the back. Again, we're going to take the screw out of the latch, the striker, the holder downer. Oh, there's your Camaro, dude. That was the one that's parked next to that Suburban. Remember? Yeah, he got some wheels on it, and he's doing some body work. That thing's gonna be so sweet. Sounds like you got some exhaust and headers, and maybe put a cam in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
That sucker was totally homely. Are you able to get? It was totally homely. You know what homely is?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
No.
All right, we're down to the last 2.
Okay.
Again, they're shims, and we'll keep track of them. Okay, and these doors aren't as heavy. So we don't have a helper, whatever means necessary to get the job done. Use your hands, you use your legs, you use your head. Sometimes you don't have a friend around to help you, or engine pullers work really good. Floor jacks work really good. 5-gallon buckets with wood on top of it works decent, but it's sketchy at best. But your head and cat-like reflexes also works just fine.
Okay.
All right.
That's so good.
Make sure you place these doors while in storage someplace where you don't get rained on or sitting on the mud and sink into the dirt over the summer and get spiders and things in there. That way for one, they won't get all rusted out. Even though the doors are fairly cheap right now, they're getting very difficult to come by. So these XJ doors, especially without all the power stuff that fails, if these get hard to turn, you just have to take the door panel off and oil everything, and it works perfectly. So they're really good doors to come by. They're not rusty, they're straight. We've got a shed out back where we keep ours. Put these bolts in. If you gotta let go of it, just let me know so I can get out of the way. Okay? Personal safety is priority number one.
Yep.
Yeah, I think we should give her a bath.
Yeah, she definitely needs a clean.
Yeah.
There's like leaves coming out of the sides.
Right. It's been sitting all winter.
Yep.
Except for when we went snow wheeling on New Year's Day.
Yeah.
Okay. And here's a hack that I learned when I was putting this together. My daughter cut herself on one of these coming out because she has long legs, and so the packaging came with these little rubber corners to protect the edges of these from getting damaged. So I figured out if can you stop that, Colby? I figured out that if I drill a hole and cut some slots in, these will go right in and become little knee protectors for whoever's occupying back here. So there's nothing worse than going out with the Jeep and trying to have fun and then having to go to the doctor and get stitches in your leg. So that's for the knee protection coming in and out. I just have to do a quick adjustment of this hinge right here. Just a little bit. Nice. Okay, there you have it, guys. We've got some sweet cage half doors on the XJ. We just have to do the other side. You get the gist of what's going on, just doing this side. So I'll do a final video walk around tomorrow because the sun's getting really low in the sky right now. So there's the doors right there. The ones we took off, we're gonna store them in a safe place, and props to my helpful assistant. It's all good. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned and enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Okay, we got the doors on. We're going to do the maiden voyage around the block with the Jeep XJ with half doors, and maybe get an ice cream cone. Got our ice cream cone.